We have been hearing rumors about the new iPhone SE for some time, and now some details have been revealed that suggest the handset may launch in June at Apple's Worldwide Developer Conference. Some references to some new iPhone models have been discovered in the Eurasian Economic Commission database. This database previously provided details on the iPhone 7, Apple AirPods and some new MacBooks before release. According to the guys at 9 to 5 Mac, there is a good chance that this new listing is the rumored iPhone SE. Apparently, when devices have appeared in the database previously, they have launched about a month afterwards, so this suggests a possible May or June launch for the device, most likely June at WWDC. Previous rumors have suggested that the design of the iPhone SE may be the same as the current handset. Apple is expected to update the internal hardware on the device. This will include a new faster processor and more RAM than the current model. We can also expect the handset to get updated cameras. It is not expected to come with Apple's Face ID software and will probably come with a fingerprint scanner like the existing device. The price of the handset is also expected to stay the same. As soon as we get more details about the device, we will let you guys know.